Hey guys, so for today's video we're going to be unboxing the December's Glossybox. This is this month's Glossybox. It comes in a nice little tin. I do like the tin ones, they are cute. I save so many glossy boxes, the actual boxes, like if they're pretty. I really need to just start throwing them away because I don't actually use them. The only thing I use them for is propping up like my camera and stuff. But yeah, let's open her up. Oh, I can see some of the products already. Not very well packaged this month. Smells nice. Already I can see two things that we've had before. You've got a Nivea Soft Refreshing Moisturising Cream. These are in here so much. Like, why? Nobody wants this. I don't get it. I give them to my partner and for his dry hands after work, and even he doesn't get around to using them because they're just, no. And then, oh, there's two of these in here. That's weird. Oh, I must have done that by accident. Two of something I don't want. They've given me two. One of the Lottie London. This is the Rose Gold's 4-piece eyeshadow palette. I don't use stuff like this really anymore. I used to use eyeshadow, but I don't anymore. But I'll give these to my mum. Maybe my niece might want one, I don't know. That's fine. Then you have a Spectrum tapered blending brush. This is BO6 by the looks of it, I think. Let's have a look what this looks like. That's a nice brush. That's good. A little tapered blending brush for your crease. It's like a see-through handle with Spectrum written on it. I like that. That's nice. Happy with that one. For fuck's sake. I'm sorry. I think my time with Glossybox is over. This just isn't. And I have 4 of these, or 3. This exact same colour. Why? Again, nobody wants this 4 times. I haven't even used one of them, let alone 4. This is the Nails Ink Be Your Incredible Self. This is in the shade Mayfair Lane. I'll see if my mum wants it again. Then the next thing we have is an MUA Makeup Academy times Glossybox. So this must be like a exclusive for like what's called collaboration. Blush liquid cream blush. Comes in a little tubey tube. Looks like quite a nice colour. I might use that, to be fair. Let's have a little swatch of it, shall we? Don't know, actually. Bit of a corally colour. Oh, I don't know. Blends out quite nice. Pretty bright though. Oh, it's pretty similar to the colour I've got on now, so that might be quite nice because I'm running out of this colour and I do like it. Nice, that's good. I'll use that. Then we have a Poreless Skin Cream by Cause. Looks like that. A little green tube. I do have a little skincare routine on the go at the moment, but it's mainly Lush products, so I don't really know if I'll use that. I'll leave the little thing on, I won't open it. Maybe I'll get some use out of it in the future. Then last thing in this box is, oh, I swear we've had this as well. Have we? I swear this is in my bathroom. Brave New Hair Coconut Cuddle Hair Cream with coconut oil, quinoa and green walnut. Let me smell this because I wasn't keen on the smell of it. Because, oh! Whatever. Yeah, I swear this is in my bathroom because it smells to me really chemically, like a chemical coconut scent. Don't quote me on it. It might not have been repeated, but I'm pretty sure that is repeated as well. So you've got like, I mean, there's a fair few stuff in there. I don't know if they've just chucked loads of random extra crap in there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. There's only usually like 5, isn't there? It's really unusual. Maybe they just put some extra bits in there, extra stock of, I don't know. maybe that's why there's like the extra like Nivea, the eyeshadow and the nail polish. Who knows? I every month I'm like, I don't know whether to cancel it. I'm just not sure. I always think, oh no, I'll give him one more chance, because there's always the odd thing in there that is good. Like, I like this and the blush is nice, but that's probably not enough to warrant £13.50, is it, really, a month? Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll give them one more chance. One more. We'll do one more month. And then if that month is rubbish, we're done. We'll wash our hands with it. It's been a good run. I've been with them for years and years and years and years. But I don't know. I think the course may have run dry, or whatever the saying is. But we'll see. Overall, I'm not pleased with that box. I'd give it like a 2 out of 5. It's just if you guys have got this box this month, let me know what you guys think. I'd be interested to see if you liked it and if you agree with me on the repetitiveness of it all. I forgot to mention as well, I don't know what was going on last month. Last month's unboxing that I didn't realise that wasn't meant to be the box. I looked on a lot of other people's videos, and for some reason pretty much everyone got a random box. Like the stuff in it was for that month, but it would be in a recycled box. Like mine was the Masquerade one, and I didn't realise that was from last year or something. And then some other people, I noticed they had last year's Christmas tin. I don't know what was going on last month, but I don't know if it was an error or they were trying to be like recycling and there was a point to be made by doing it. But I thought that was the box, because I'd not had that box before. So I was like really hyped up on it. I was like, oh, this is really cute, blah, blah, blah. But no, it was just completely reused. Made me feel like a bit of an idiot, to be honest. I was just like, oh, okay. But yeah, I thought that was really unusual. I just thought I'd mention that because last month I literally thought that was the box, and it was just like, but it wasn't. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed as well, I'd love it if you subscribe. That'd be wonderful. And yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.